Imagine standing alone beneath a sky filled with stars. The city lights are gone. The noise is gone. Above you are billions of glowing suns stretching endlessly into darkness. In that moment, something strange happens. You suddenly feel small, but also connected to something much bigger than yourself. That feeling is difficult to explain. Some people call it awe, some call it wonder, others call it spiritual. Now here's the surprising part. That exact feeling is what famous astronomer Carl Sagan believes science could give us. He once said, "Science is not only compatible with spirituality, it is a profound source of spirituality." At first, that sentence sounds confusing. Many people grow up believing science and spirituality are enemies. Science is often seen as cold facts, equations, and laboratories. Spirituality is seen as emotion, meaning, mystery, and the search for purpose. One side studies atoms, the other studies existence itself. So how could science possibly create spirituality instead of destroying it? The answer begins with a simple realization. Science does not remove mystery from the universe. It reveals how deep the mystery truly is. Think about this. Right now, inside your body, atoms are moving constantly. The calcium in your bones was created inside exploding stars billions of years ago. The oxygen you breathe once floated through ancient forests before humans even existed. Every cell in your body contains instructions more complex than any computer humans have ever built. And somehow, out of all these tiny particles and chemical reactions, consciousness appeared. You became aware. You can think. You can dream. You can wonder why you exist at all. Science explains the mechanisms behind these things, but explanation does not destroy wonder. In many ways, it multiplies it. Imagine seeing a rainbow without understanding it. It looks magical. But then science explains that millions of tiny water droplets are bending sunlight into colors your eyes can detect. Does the rainbow become less beautiful after learning that? Usually it becomes even more beautiful because now you realize nature is performing an invisible cosmic process every time sunlight touches rain. The mystery did not disappear, it became deeper. This is what Carl Sagan meant. Spirituality is not necessarily about religion. It is about the feeling of connection to something larger than yourself. It is the emotional shock of realizing how enormous and extraordinary existence really is, and science constantly delivers that feeling. For example, scientists discovered that the universe is around 13.8 billion years old. Think about that number for a second. Human civilization is only a few thousand years old. Your entire life is maybe 80 years if you are lucky. Compared to the age of the cosmos, a human life is smaller than a blink. Yet somehow, after billions of years of stars exploding and galaxies forming, the universe produced a species capable of asking questions about itself. You are literally the universe becoming conscious. That idea alone sounds almost spiritual, and it becomes even stranger. Every atom heavier than hydrogen was forged inside stars through nuclear fusion. When giant stars died, they exploded and scattered those elements across space. Those particles later formed planets, oceans, plants, animals, and eventually you. So when someone says humans are made of stardust, that is not poetry, it is scientific fact. E equals mc squared. Even Einstein's famous equation reveals something incredible. Matter itself is condensed energy. Everything solid around you, your body, your phone, your walls, is part of an invisible energetic universe behaving according to laws humans are still trying to fully understand. Science opens doors into realities so strange they almost sound fictional. Quantum physics suggests particles can behave differently when observed. Black holes bend time itself. Some stars are so massive that 1 teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. Space may contain more galaxies than grains of sand on Earth. And despite all our discoveries, scientists estimate humans understand only a tiny fraction of the universe. Most of reality may still be invisible to us in the form of dark matter and dark energy. That realization changes something psychologically. Humans often imagine themselves as the center of existence. But science humbles us. It reminds us we are tiny. At first that sounds depressing, but strangely, it can become freeing. If the universe is this vast, Maybe life is less about ego and more about experience, curiosity, and connection. This is why many astronauts experience something called the overview effect. When astronauts look down at Earth from space, many report intense emotional transformation. Borders disappear. Politics disappear. The planet suddenly looks fragile and unified. Some astronauts even cry because they feel deeply connected to humanity for the first time. That emotional experience came from science. Rockets, engineering, physics, and astronomy created a moment so powerful it changed how humans saw existence itself. Science can therefore create humility, wonder, gratitude, and connection. The same emotions often associated with spirituality. But there is another important layer to Carl Sagan's quote. Science teaches us that reality is far more beautiful than human imagination alone. The natural universe does not need fictional magic to become extraordinary. Reality already contains enough mystery. Inside every black hole is a puzzle humans cannot fully solve. Inside every human brain is consciousness, one of the greatest mysteries ever known. Inside every galaxy are billions of worlds we may never see. Somewhere out there, another civilization could be asking the same questions you are asking now. And perhaps the most spiritual idea of all is this: despite how small we are, we still matter. Not because the universe revolves around us, but because we are capable of experiencing it. A sunset means nothing without consciousness to witness it. Music means nothing without ears to hear it. Love means nothing without minds capable of feeling it. In a strange way, humans give meaning to the universe by observing it. That realization transforms ordinary life. Suddenly, drinking water becomes strange because those molecules may be older than humanity itself. Breathing becomes strange because every breath connects you to Earth's ancient history. Looking at the night sky becomes emotional because you are staring into the past. Some stars you see may no longer even exist. Their light is only arriving now after traveling for millions of years. Science turns reality into poetry without needing to invent anything false. And maybe that is what true spirituality really is. Not escaping reality, but seeing reality clearly enough that it fills you with wonder. Carl Sagan believed the universe is not something separate from us. We are part of it. We emerge from it. We carry its atoms inside us. We are temporary pieces of a cosmic story stretching across billions of years. For a brief moment, the universe arranged itself into you, into your thoughts, into your memories, into your ability to ask questions. And someday, those atoms will continue their journey long after you are gone. That thought can sound frightening, but it can also be beautiful. It means you are connected to something eternal. Not as an individual that lives forever, but as part of an endless cosmic process that never truly stops. So when Carl Sagan said science is a profound source of spirituality, he was not saying science replaces meaning. He was saying science reveals a reality so astonishing that it naturally creates meaning, wonder, humility, and awe. The deeper we look into the universe, the more mysterious it becomes. And maybe the greatest mystery of all is that the universe gave rise to beings capable of wondering about it in the first place.